whatever stocks that pop up for them are in alignment with their personal values, but also their risk tolerance level, which is really important.
Talking to you before the show, you mentioned that you have this new software that you've picked up, which kind of sounds like you're simplifying the complicated, because I know for a fact that trying to pick stocks and day trading or even swing trading or any sort of trading, you can lose your butt real quick. And if you're not paying attention and you don't know what you're doing. So tell me about your software and how does it work, and what's the value it brings?
Sure, happy to. So thanks for asking. Information and knowledge is key. You're right. If you don't know what you're doing, you can absolutely lose your shirt in investing, especially in this market. This is a super tricky equity market to make profits in. So you have to be really selective in terms of what industries to invest in, and then find the right companies within that industry. So we had a huge monumental task that we set out to accomplish, which was we basically said in 2018, if we could help novice investors, people who knew nothing about stocks, nothing about investing, if we could help them find winning stocks in 3 clicks, we knew we'd have something. So we created the software around looking at people's personal values. So whatever stocks that pop up for them are in alignment with their personal values, but also their risk tolerance level, which is really important. So the system tracks 16,000 companies in North America and also over 700 cryptocurrencies. That's a huge market that's really coming up quickly. And we thought it would be important to have software that would analyze cryptos as well as stocks and then give recommendations to people.
Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to press you a little bit here because I'm
Sure.
real curious. So how is it different than, let's say, like Zach's picks or a Lewis Navalier's picker, or even just some kid on YouTube who's got a Discord that throws out picks? How is your software differentiating itself, and what value does it bring above and beyond that?
Yeah, great question. So you're right. There's a ton of software out there that will pick stocks, mostly from a technical perspective. And I've invested in those before. I've paid tens of thousands of dollars to buy software to find winning stocks. And it was confusing, man. And I thought, geez, if it's this complicated for me, then I can't imagine it working for many people, because this is my background. It's what I studied to do. So, like I said, we simplified the complicated. Not only do we look at the technical indicators, but we also look at the financial as well as the fundamental indicators. And every Monday I show up in there, I do a live stream and share with our subscribers what I'm buying, why I'm buying it, and if I pull back on a position or a stock, if I sell it, I always share why as well. So I'm combining a lot of other elements that some of our competitors don't have. First of all, I'm in there. I'm a 32-year professional investor. So I'm in there giving advice. And also I've recorded training videos. We must have several hundred videos throughout the website that are embedded to help people learn about what technical indicators are, what fundamental indicators are, what financial indicators mean for a business. And it's through that comprehensive structure with all the elements in place that I think we have something fairly unique.
Interesting. Okay, so basically the value add above and beyond is that you kind of really drill down into simplifying what it is you're doing and the why behind it, and so people can easily follow along without getting lost in the minutia of everything that's around them.